Hi friends, this is Joanne for the Hip Kit Club. How are you? I started playing around with this gorgeous background paper and then I said, you know what? I'm gonna film this because this is super pretty. I love it. It's like a sunset. Oh my goodness, I love it. So beautiful. So last month in the June kits, we got this amazing stencil, so I went ahead and put some on here. I did just a couple in the middle, then I turned it and went like this too. So beautiful. I just had to use that with this paper, so I put some sun rays going out all the way around. And then this month's July kits, you get the Summer Sizzle art stencil waves. Isn't that cool? Look at that. So I just started playing around with that a little bit. It kind of looks like a hot mess right now, but I'll fix it. And then I got a little ink on my paper, but I'm going to fix that too. So no big deal. So I'm going to take this awesome photo of my daughter and my granddaughter at the beach. Okay. I'm going to put it over here. I don't like how this stenciling came out, so I'm just going to cover it up and only we will know. That's all there is to it. So I think I'll put my photo about here. I'm not sure of exact placement right now until I get all the things down. So I was thinking about making a cluster over here, a little something up here, and then making something to cover up this ink smudge that I accidentally put on my paper. I'm thinking I have stuff from the embellishment kit, the main kit, and I think that's it. And I just absolutely love it. So these are from the sticker pad that came with it, and I put powder on the back of everything and then glue it down so I can audition it and move it around and stuff without it sticking onto things. Okay, so I'm thinking about putting this around here. I can move things around. This is so amazing. These are the cardstock like puppies. They'll get a whole sheet of those. Look how many I've used already. And this one I thought was good, Summer Sizzle. That's gonna look really nice in here. And then, let me see. I wanna use this like on top of that. Just kind of tuck it in a little bit. I'm not sure exactly how I want everything yet. I might pull this out a little bit more. Yeah, all right. Maybe I'll put this down here. Then I'm thinking, let's go ahead and put a little journaling card in here. I think I want everything down more. Let's do that. Can we still see good? All right. So a little journaling card like this. And everything's not going to be perfect right now. I'm just going to get it down. This was fussy cut from the pattern paper. You got a whole sheet of sentiment strips, which I thought was amazing. And this one says, every summer day has a story, which is true. Put a little sentiment right there. Super cute little beach house. And I'm gonna tuck that in here like this. Of course I can readjust things. And then, yeah, let's move this over a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and tuck in some of these leaves. Like, you know, oh, that doesn't look good. Let's put it maybe here. I think I want to move this. That's what I'm thinking. Let's get some of that blue showing. Yeah, that's pretty. Get some of this nice blue showing in there. Nice. Okay, now I can tuck some leaves and things in there. So let's try to get one in here. I'm just going to hold this down while I tuck. And then this one was cut off the edge of the paper, but that's okay. We can still use it. You'll never know once you sneak it in there. And get it all set up. No big deal. And just make that really big right there. Okay, I'm liking that. That's cute. Let's put this in the corner, and then we're gonna get some, these are fussy cut leaves from the amazing pattern paper. They came with this I'm just trying to figure out the best way to put this in here. Yeah, this pattern paper that had all these leaves that you could fussy cut. Oh, I'm so in love with it. That's too much. I don't like all that on the photo. So we'll just corner in here just a little bit like that. Then maybe I can tuck this in here. That's a good starting point. This is a flower that was right on the edge of the paper, but there's no reason that we can't use that. And if we tuck it strategically, no one is going to know that you can't, that it's cut off on the side, because then we can just put like a little leaf in here and voila, all covered up. Can't even see it. All right, let's put perhaps one of these over here just to make it a little bit bigger. I'm actually thinking about putting a little something right there just to finish that off. It kind of seems like it ends abruptly. And then I can cover up the bottom of the beach house if I do that. Yeah. Oh, that finishes that nicely. All right, I like that. All right. These are also fussy cut from one of the pattern papers, and I'm in love with them. I want like 100 of them. So there is that. I'm going to put one here. And then I'm going to put one here. Just tuck it in underneath because I don't want anything covering up my granddaughter. And then I have a palm tree, which I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with. Maybe here. Maybe up a little bit higher. Maybe I can just tuck it like that. We'll see. But I have to use this really cute beach bag because I'm sure she obviously had a beach bag right there for the diapers and all that good stuff. So there we go with that. And maybe I don't need this, but maybe I do. I'm not sure. Maybe if I put it here, it'll look better. That's okay. I'll think about that. Look at this amazing piece of ephemera. The sun, the water, and a big wave with some clouds. I think this is beautiful. I'm actually going to tuck it so it looks just like this. I'm going to take a circle from the journaling bit just to add like a grounding piece in that cluster. I think it's pretty. Something like this. We'll move this up a little bit more too. Move this here. And then that there. This here. And then chipboard flare came with this, which I love. I want to put this in the middle of that. I'm thinking I might want to tuck this bag underneath and put this on top though. We'll see. I'm going to finish off with some Nouveau drops. I have this from my stash, and this is Dandelion Yellow. I just thought it would look cute, being that it's the sun. So I'm just going to put a few drops of that around, sort of like little enamel dots. And let those dry very, very well. You definitely don't want to smudge those. So I'm wondering, let's put some right here. And then if there is like a little tip, it usually works itself out, or you can go underneath and just tap your paper. But it usually works itself out pretty good. So let me bring it in for you. Super cool. 2 Hip Kit Club stencils. I love it. And then my daughter and my granddaughter. And here's this cluster. Okay. Super cool ephemera and stickers. And I ended up putting Serious Chilling with an arrow up there. I just thought that was really good for that photo. Okay, and that's what we ended up with. Very simple, The background paper is amazing. I hope you enjoyed this. Everything you need to know about the Hip Kit Club is in the description box below, but do not hesitate to reach out to me and ask me any questions that you may have, and join our Facebook group so you can share your work with us. I'd love to see it. Okay, thank you. I'll see you again soon. Bye.